This is the Geberit Type 290 dual flush outlet valve. The valve is easy to install, it has a simple maintenance procedure and is fully adjustable to suit most cisterns with a round buttonhole in the top of the cistern lid. The valve is also compatible with existing Geberit valves, the Type 250 and the Type 280. So you can reuse the existing basket which is already installed into the cistern. There are two combinations of the valve available. One is the trade pack here and the other is the retail pack. The trade pack is designed as a direct replacement of an existing Geberit outlet valve, and the retail pack, it's for retrofit or a complete renewal of the outlet valve. Everything you require to change the valve is inside this box, even a spanner to tighten up the back nut. Fitting the Type 290 valve into existing Type 280 and Type 250 baskets, simply push the valve into the basket until it clicks into place. And to remove the valve, twist and lift out. To install the Type 290 into a 290 basket, twist and click into place. To adjust the overflow height of the Type 290, you need to first slide the blue clip to unlock the overflow tube, raise or lower the height of the overflow to suit the cistern, then clip it back into place and lock it off. To raise the button height, turn the blue switch anti-clockwise to unlock the button, lift the button to the desired height and lock it off back into place. To install the Type 290 into the cistern, you first need to make sure the rubber seal is on the bottom of the basket. Place the basket through the cistern. First put the back nut flange on, followed by the back nut. And tighten up so it's watertight. Install the foam seal if it is a closed couple toilet suite. It fits over the top of the back nut. Next you want to set the height of the overflow to the cistern. Then adjust the height of the button. Unlock the button and lift the button up past the top of the cistern. Push it back down with the cistern lid until it rests on the cistern. Lock off the button with the switch and the height is set. To adjust the flush duration, remove the valve and slide the indicators up or down to suit your flushing requirements. Reinstall the valve by twist and click into place. Place the lid on top of the cistern and tighten up the button. You can then turn the water back on and check for correct operation. For any more tips and tricks or product information, head over to geberit.com.au.